What's up guys, welcome back to Just Crypto. Today I'm going to show you how to find the strategy that can 1000x your crypto investment. Sounds very unreal, right? However, let me show you the website. This website is called Prysm. However, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. But what they do is that they will find people that are very good at investing. So what they do is that they look up their wallets and then they will see the transactions on different wallets. And if they see that their transaction is making money, they will show you how they're going to making the transactions. And you can track those wallets and then also follow along with those people on how they invest. Makes sense, right? So let's go over the website a little bit. So as you can see, it will help you find the best investor. And then they can also verify the transactions online. So they always know that what kind of transaction is this person making, and also if this person is making money or not. In a traditional like KOL investing leader kind of sites, a lot of people is gonna make up like fake transactions, fake statements, try to make themselves look very trustworthy as an investor, right? However, in this day and age of the cryptos, everything is online and you can see that each wallet, what transactions they do. So it's very easy for us to verify some kind of transactions, how much money they earn, how is the returns, and it's very hard to lie when the blockchain is literally showing you every transaction that they do on the wallet, right? So here is an example that they do. So this person, I'm pretty sure it's a fake transaction, but when they sell ETH to USDC, it showed that their realized profit is 1,700%. So this is an example of what they can show you when you're looking to the website. So of course, we're going to go over the apps later on. However, I do want to go over the website first. It's good to see that the website is working. However, the app is the most important part, right? So let me show you guys how you can find people that are good at trading. As you can see, there's two options on the top. One is feed and one is explore. What I know is that feed is basically what they will give you, what they will guess what you want to see. I want to say that in the beginning that this website is in beta, so if some things is like broken or some is not working, it's pretty normal because it's have not officially launched yet. However, I do think it's very interesting already as it is. So you can see that on the top there's two options. One is called feed, one is called explore. So let me try explore first. I think explore is how you're going to find people that are good at tradings. As you can see, now it's showing that it's going to give you a list of people who are tracking currently. As you can see, some of them have names, which they put in themselves, and some of them don't have. They only have the wallet address. So as you can see, I'll go over one by one. You can choose the days on over here. And then last 34 hours, last 30 days, and all times, of course. Filters, you can have different filters to see which assets they need to have on their portfolio or they're trading. For example, if you're mainly ETH trader or you are mainly a Uniswap Uni token trader, then you can follow people with only Uni token trade, and then you can see how people make money trading Uni, right? And then downstairs, you can see that there's a couple arrows. As you can see from the beginning, there's a lot of people having profitable trade. So one of them have 25 consecutive profitable trade, which is very impressive, right? However, I do think this is not a very useful metric, as profitable can just be like $1 return on $1,000 investment. And it's quite easy to do that, right? If you just do and make $1 and then you sell, and then you make $1 and sell, it's quite useful. However, I do think it's a quite an interesting indicator. You can have a look at it. So the next one is profitability, right? I have now sorted by profitability. A lot of people have like 100%, and that's because they only have one trade, right? Profitability, if you sort by like up or low, you don't want to see people with very low profitability. Like it's not helpful to you, right? But however, if you sort it by the most profitable trade, then you will see that like it is only showing the 100% one in the beginning. So you might want to go over to the next 3, 4, 5 page to find people with more results or more trade on their belt. And then if they are still profitable after they have like more than 10 transactions, I would say, and then you can refer to a more reasonable trader instead of just a one-hit wonder. If you sort by performances, you really have to look into like how much profitable is realistic. If they have 10,000% performances, but they only have one trade, like, do you really want to follow them? Like, how do you know if their performance is going to be good on the next trade, right? But if a person have 10 trade already and their return is 100% or something like that, then you can pretty sure that like on the next trade, they're still likely going to be making around 100% or like more or less. However, it's not going to be like crazy high or like crazy low or even losing a bunch of money, right? So I think sorting by performance is also a reference. So you can see that the crazy percentage one usually have a very little trades, except for the 1,973%, you have 36% profitability, which is pretty good, right? So, and then on the right side, it's gonna have like a holdings. So what kind of token are they holding or are they trading? And then you can see on the last one, you have follows, which you can follow people and to see what they're trading or when their next trade is up. I think they might notify you or something. However, to use this function, you do need to connect your own wallet to the site, and then you can follow people. I'll try. Yep. So when you hit follow, it will ask you to connect to MetaMask. So I will not do that for now. However, I do want to show you the other part of this website, which is the feed. So as you can see in the feed, it will show you that you can search by Ethereum address, ENS domain, or Prysm nicknames. So you can have nickname on your wallet, and people can search your nickname and find out. And also you can search Ethereum addresses and also the domains. So as you can see, it is showing you some trades that people have made that have made a lot of money. As you can see, that this is like crazy. I don't know what kind of trade is this, like 4 million percent profit or something. Yeah, like average performance. This is crazy, right? Like how is that even possible? They make like one trade and then it go insane. In general, I think that the feed is not going to be as useful as the explore page in the beginning, because you kind of have to explore and then you can follow some people's, and then after you follow them, it's going to show you up on the feed to see what kind of trade they already made. Like if you see the person with a good history, like 10 or more transactions, have a good percentage of winning and also a good performances on return, then you can follow them, and then when they make a trade, it will show up on your feed, and then you can maybe follow in, or like you can research into what they are buying to see if there's any potentials, right? So however, I do think if you want to just scroll around to see what kind of people are trading for, like CryptoPunks, and then like Citizen token, I have no idea what it is. Like Curve is pretty normal, right? And they make a lot of money. Also a lot of unknown token and like Cool Cat, right? Like whoever know who this is. However, I do think it's a very interesting website, and you can definitely find people who are profitable trader on there, and then you can follow them to mimic their trade, right? So in the future, there is going to be functions where you can follow people, and then you automatically do the trade that the person do for you on the blockchain itself. However, I do think that this feature is not going to be implemented soon. It's going to be after the beta, like the main site is going to be launching. After the main site launch, I think it will take a while for them to implement the function of you can mimic people's trade. At the end of the day, you have to look into how the person is making money on a trade. If they're going to make 10 trades just flipping a coin and they make a lot of money, does that mean they're a very good coin flipper? Which is no, right? So we do really have to be very critical on what we find and what we follow, if a person is legit or not. And there's a lot of information provided on the blockchain itself you can check into. You can definitely find a lot of people with good trading skill and can help you make money on here. However, don't get wrecked by following the wrong person or the wrong move. If a person go YOLO in like 10 ETH, doesn't mean you have to go with 10 ETH, right? So if you're not sure about a person, just invest a little bit of money only, or like just wait on a sideline to see what happened. So don't get wrecked by following people. A lot of people already did that to get wrecked on the stock market, following like the influencers, the talking head on the person on the TV, right? So don't get wrecked. And if you want to learn more about crypto, of course, follow this channel, Just Crypto. We post about a lot of crypto video to teach you how to better trade and how to better learn about cryptos. Also introduce you to new projects and exciting projects coming up. So if you want to learn more, do hit up the subscribe button. If you like this video, like and share it to a friend. I think it is a very interesting website. You should share it to your friends. And let me know. Maybe one day you will be the very profitable trader that I'll be following, right? So let me know your username on there. If you're cool to share your ID or username or share your address on here, I'll definitely give you a follow on this website. So enjoy. Have a good day, guys. Bye.